Here at Formula Honda, we have a Drive Shield certified 2018 Hyundai Tucson Premium. Here's a quick look at the exterior of the vehicle. Let's take a look and see what it has to offer. This vehicle has power mirrors, windows, and locks. It also comes with blind spot indicators and a spacious 5-passenger interior. This vehicle also has steering wheel audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Comes with a rear view camera. It has Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, USB and auxiliary inputs, heated seating, heated steering wheel, and many more great features.